On January 22nd, both state and central governments, along with various institutions, issued a series of announcements detailing the closure and operating hours of public places and government offices. Get ready for the monumental consecration ceremony or Pran Pratishtha of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya, scheduled for Monday, January 22nd. As the nation gears up to commemorate this historic day, let's take a brief look at what will be open and closed on the day of the Ram Temple consecration. On Monday, the stock market will observe a closure. Nevertheless, on Saturday, it will operate from 9 am to 3:30 pm. According to a circular from the National Stock Exchange, the currency derivative segment is scheduled to remain closed on January 22nd. The Indian stock market, however, will have a complete trading session on Saturday, that is January 20th, as stated in the circular. On Friday, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) announced the closure of money markets on January 22nd, with no transactions or settlements in government securities, both primary and secondary markets, foreign exchange, money markets, and rupee interest rate derivatives on that day. The RBI specified that the 3-day variable rate repo (VRR) auction conducted on Friday, originally planned for a reversal on January 22nd, will now be reversed on January 23rd. Moreover, the previously scheduled 3-day VRR auction for the day has been cancelled, and the 2-day VRR auction is slated to take place on January 23rd instead. The central government has declared a half-day closure for all government offices, institutions, and industrial establishments nationwide on Monday, January 22nd. This decision aims to enable employees to participate in the upcoming Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha ceremony in Ayodhya, with the half-day closing extending until 2:30 pm on January 22nd, 2024, as per a notification issued on Thursday by the Ministry of Finance. Public sector banks, insurance companies, financial institutions, and regional rural banks (RRBs) across the country will remain closed for half day on January 22nd. The Finance Ministry's notification stated, and I quote, "This is to inform that DOPT's order in respect of central institutions and central industrial establishments shall also apply to all public sector banks, public sector insurance companies, public sector financial institutions, and regional rural banks to enable employees to participate in the Ram Lala Pran Pratishtha celebrations." Most states have declared either a half-day or public holiday on January 22nd. Haryana and Rajasthan declared a half-day off for their employees, and the day was declared a public holiday in Maharashtra, Puducherry, and Chandigarh. The Haryana government has announced a half-day holiday until 2:30 pm across all its departments, boards, corporations, schools, colleges, and universities, as per an official notification. In Madhya Pradesh, the School and Higher Education Department issued separate notification declaring holidays for schools and colleges on January 22nd. Jamia Millia Islamia University in Delhi will remain closed for a half day until 2:30 pm on January 22nd in light of the Ram Lala Pran Pratishtha ceremony in Ayodhya. Additionally, the Uttar Pradesh government has declared a statewide closure of all education institutions on January 22nd, while other states including Maharashtra, Goa, and Chandigarh have also announced holidays for schools and colleges.